Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to fix Gmail notifications not working on Android phone. Follow these easy and step-by-step tutorial to fix Gmail notification not getting or not working problem. The first solution is you have to turn off do not disturb mode and power saving or battery mode on your Android phone. So I'm opening my control center, and here as you can see, if your power saving mode is turned on, then you won't get any notifications from Gmail app. So must disable power saving mode and must disable do not disturb mode if it's turned on, and then check the issue. And the second solution is you have to enable notification from Gmail app. So go to your Gmail app and tap on this hamburger menu, and here scroll down, tap on settings, tap on general settings. Here tap on manage notifications, and here must enable allow notifications, and alerts select allow sound and vibration. And go back from here, and here scroll down, go back from here, and now we have to enable notification for our specific Gmail ID. So in your Gmail app settings page, go to settings page, and here you will find all of your add date Gmail ID. Just open the Gmail ID, and here scroll down, tap on notifications, and here make sure to select all, and scroll down, okay, here tap on manage notifications, and also make sure to enable notification for the specific Gmail ID, and here select alert, and if you want you can enable show as pop-up option from here. And after that, check the issue, and the next solution is enable notifications from your Android phone settings app. To do that, go to your phone settings and tap on notifications, and here tap on app notifications. Here scroll down and search for Gmail. Make sure to turn on notification for your Gmail app, and then check the issue. And the next solution is go to your settings again, and now search for apps, tap on apps, and here search for Gmail, open Gmail settings, and now scroll down and tap on battery, and here you have to select optimized, and now on you should get all notifications from Gmail app. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.